Hi, you guys. Hi, you guys. Welcome. Hi, you all. Hi, friends. Welcome back. Hi, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those coming for the how do I say this? Hi, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those coming for the first time, be sure to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified because I post 4 videos every single week. As you can tell by the title, today I am going to be doing a makeup video. Y'all, I'm still new at this. I am learning, but I have fun using it. So today we can just have some fun with some makeup. So if y'all got some, maybe you can play along in your makeup as well if you like. I don't know. I actually ordered the Patrick Starr. It's Patrick Starr Visionary eyeshadow palette. I hope you can see that. Y'all, as y'all can see, today I am sporting a new do, okay? I have this hair and I like to wear all of my hair. Okay, y'all, so before I get started, I'm going to spray a little bit of this Becca Skin Love. Y'all gonna see me looking over to the side a little bit. Just so you know, I do have my makeup mirror here. Okay, y'all, so next after the primer, I'm gonna go in and do my brow. I'm gonna use this Starrr, and it is a dark brown. Maquillage. Use the NARS. I'm going to use that under the bottom of my brow. So next I'm gonna go in with the Il Makiage foundation. Y'all, so as you can see, I started out with a sponge and I ended up finishing with my with a brush for my foundation. Next, I'm going to go in with more concealer, again the Il Makiage. Okay y'all, so I'm going to go in with my contour for my nose. I'm going to use this one, and for the framing of my face I'm going to use this one. Go back in and I'm going to bake it. Okay y'all, so my battery died. So I baked too long y'all, so I went ahead and just knocked off the powder. But I'm getting ready to spray my face again with the Becca Skin Love. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna go in and give my cheeks a little color. I'm gonna use this one here. Like I said before, I'm not a pro. I'm aspiring to be one day, but I'm playing around with my makeup, okay, y'all? So you never know how it's gonna look until you play around with it, and that's what I'm doing. I'm not trying to make any excuses. I'm just telling you how it is. Okay, next, y'all, I'm gonna go in with a black charcoal liner. Next, we're gonna do our lashes. Okay, y'all, so trying to be lazy. I want it to just, you know, like jump all the way out the bottom. And I'm gonna try, this is either 3D or 5D. Well, 25 mm lash. Okay, y'all. So these are my lashes. Okay, so, all right, I got them on, y'all. I got them on. Okay, so y'all, next, I'm gonna go in with this chestnut lip liner. And I'm gonna go in with this Dendera, and this is Starlight Mauve. Okay, you guys, I have finally finished my face. I had to stop a few times in this video because life goes on as I'm filming some of these videos, so I hope you understand. I had a lot of fun playing in the Patrick Starrr Visionary palette. He has a lot of different colors in there to choose from. I also enjoyed using the liquid shadows. So, y'all, this is the look. How do you like it? I went in a little deeper with the makeup on this particular video. Y'all, I wanted to do or work my natural hair today. And I'm having fun with it. So, if you'd like to know more about any of the products that I've used in this video today, leave it in the comment section. Again, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified, and expect 4 videos every week. And other than that, I look forward to hearing from you guys in the comment section. And thank you for the love. Thank you for the love. Until next time, y'all. Peace, love, and me and you.